Upgrading your home with new windows is a smart investment that enhances energy efficiency, increases property value, and improves overall comfort. But for many homeowners in Layton, Utah, the thought of a window installation project can bring up questions about time, disruption, and what the process actually involves. Understanding what to expect during a professional window installation in Layton can help you feel more confident and prepared. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how the process works, from consultation to completion, so you know exactly what's coming and how to get the most from your investment. Step 1. In-home consultation and window selection. The journey starts with an in-home consultation. A local window specialist will visit your Layton home to inspect your existing windows, take precise measurements, discuss your style preferences and performance needs, recommend the best materials, glass options, and window types. Whether you're replacing outdated single-pane windows or upgrading to energy-efficient models, this step ensures you choose the right windows for your climate, budget, and goals. Once your selections are made, the windows are custom manufactured to fit your home's unique dimensions and specifications. Step 2. Pre-installation preparation. Before the installation crew arrives, you'll want to take a few simple steps to prepare your home. Clear furniture, blinds, and curtains near the windows. Remove wall decor or shelves around window areas. Provide a clear path from the entrance to the work area. Your installer may also lay down protective coverings to safeguard your floors and furniture during the process. In Layton's varying climate, installers may also plan for temporary protection if weather conditions shift during installation day. Step 3. Safe removal of old windows. The professional team will carefully remove your old windows, minimizing dust and debris. They will safely dispose of the old window frame and glass. Check the structural integrity of the opening. Repair any minor damage or rot if needed. This is a crucial step, as it ensures your new window will be securely and properly installed for long-lasting performance. Step 4. Precise installation of new windows. Once the openings are ready, the new windows are installed with exacting precision. The window is leveled and shimmed to ensure a snug fit. Insulation foam is added around the frame to prevent drafts. Weather-resistant sealants are applied to guard against moisture. In Layton, where temperatures can fluctuate dramatically, these extra measures ensure your new windows deliver maximum energy efficiency and durability. The entire process typically takes a few hours per window, and many full home installations are completed in 1 to 2 days, depending on the size of the home and number of windows. Step 5. Final inspection and cleanup. After installation, your installer will perform a final walkthrough to ensure every window operates smoothly, confirm proper insulation and sealing, answer your questions about maintenance and warranty coverage. The crew will also clean up their workspace, removing debris, old windows, and protective coverings, leaving your home as clean as it was before they arrived. Step 6. Enjoy the results. Once the installation is complete, you can immediately start enjoying the benefits of your new windows. Lower energy bills from improved insulation and quieter indoor spaces thanks to soundproofing materials. Brighter rooms with more natural light. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. Plus, with warranties from both the manufacturer and installer, you'll have peace of mind knowing your investment is protected for years to come. Final thoughts. Make your window installation and stress-free. Choosing professional window installation in Layton ensures your project is done right the first time. From expert advice and proper removal to airtight fitting and cleanup, experienced installers take care of everything so you can focus on enjoying the transformation. Ready to upgrade your windows? Connect with a trusted Layton window installation company to schedule your consultation and experience the difference professional service makes.